Hi everyone, my name is Vibha Vinod. I am a 2016 pass out from Brindavan College of Engineering. Currently, I am working as a product development engineer with UST Global in their R&D section. So, 4 years of engineering definitely goes by with a blink of an eye. So, Brindavan has given me this close knit of family of friends, friends forever types. We all are still in constant touch. Another part of Brindavan which I miss most is definitely the faculty because I enjoy their company. When I mean their company, it's definitely in the classroom and outside the classroom as well. The faculty of Brindavan has been amazing. When I mean amazing, they have just gone way beyond their call of duty, not stuck only to teaching, but they have been friends for us. Our entire batch, the 2016 batch, will definitely watch for this that, Brindavan's teachers have definitely helped each and every person way beyond than what can be expected from day one of college. They've definitely been there for us. Let it be day one of college, obviously it's in terms of academics, but over these 4 years you develop this friendship with your teacher. So that friendship has been there till now. All the teachers and students, our batch, are still in contact, and any help, they're always there to help you. Let it be, like giving an advice or financially as well to certain students who needed that advice, needed that help. So, all I can say to my fellow juniors is make the best use of this 4 years of engineering. Don't let go even 1 second for a waste. You will repent it later. Definitely, you will repent it later because the IT world is completely different. You will not get time to even, you know, feel the air, feel this natural air. You will not get that time. Okay. So, make the best use of these 4 years, but at the same time keep in mind of your reason to enter into engineering. So it's not all fun and games. It's obviously you have to work hard, you have to study, you have to get a job, because job is the first step of your career. So, and you can be an entrepreneur, you can be anyone whom you want to wish, but for that your base has to be strong, and Brindavan has definitely given us that strong base. So so many of us from our batch, they were so shy. Trust me when I say this, the teachers will also tell certain names. They have been very shy, but now when you look back to where they are now, you will be like, oh my god, is it the same person? Because they have achieved a lot, because the reason is because, from where they would have come, their teachers would have not told them, don't do this, don't do that. But the Brindavan faculty has told upfront to the students, like, listen, this is wrong, don't do it. You can be a better person, you can definitely be a better person. And so many students have changed their lives, they've transformed drastically, in a good way, obviously in a good way. So all I can say is work hard, stay focused, and all the very best to all my juniors.